In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a section header in REDCap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go over here on the left and you want to go inside your designer. Now, whenever you do this here, you want to click on the instrument inside which you want to add a section header. So I'm just going to go over here and click on this first one as an example. And I'm going to scroll down and you want to select where you want to add the section header. So for example, I'm just going to put it in here, just between street, city, and then phone number. So I'm going to click on add field over here. And then you want to select a type of field, and at the bottom it's going to say begin new section with optional text. So click on this, and then here you have the field label. This is where you can type in whatever you want to appear. So I'm just going to type in this is a new section like this, okay? And then you could use this rich text editor as well if you want to. Click on save. And when you save this, you'll see that if you go and try to preview your survey over here using your public link here, you'll see that it's going to add a new section. There we go, and it's called this is a new section, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.